How to factory reset Windows 10 or 11. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So make sure to follow along till the end. First, click the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. Then click on the Settings gear. Once you're in Settings, go to System. Scroll down from the options. Now, click on the Recovery tab from the left sidebar. Under Reset this PC, click Get Started. A window will pop up asking whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. For this video, I'll go with Keep My Files. Then click Next and finally press the Reset button. Your PC will now begin the reset process. This can take some time, so you just be patient and let it complete. And that's it. Your system will reboot fresh and ready. If this helped, please give the video a like and subscribe. That's all for the video.